Hey guys, it's your girl Chyng back again for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. Guys, you're going to need an aloe vera leaf, some scissors, maybe a spatula, 70% tall or higher. And then I also have an essential oil. I have lavender scent for me. And then you just need a container that you're going to put it in. Also, you're going to need lemon juice, guys. So yeah. This was not proven to your girl is corona free, and I have been staying nice and cleanly with it. It works really well for me. It works well for the family. So yeah, if you guys cannot find sanitizer in the stores, kind of like me, I can't find any in the store, you can buckle down, buy these few products, and yeah, make your own sanitizer at home. So let's get started, guys. First, we're going to open this aloe vera leaf up. We're going to take all the gel out of the leaf. Okay, and we are going to put the gel into the bowl. So now, guys, we are about to add in our alcohol. Guys, what I like to use is a third of the alcohol bottle, and I use 1 leaf. So that is the parts that I use. When I put it on my hands, it's not really like water-like, but it's more like a in-between consistency, a little bit of jelly type of feel, and then it's like kind of like it's still enough alcohol to where it disappears and it dries up on your hands. So I like to have moisture in my hands, so I like to use a little bit more aloe vera gel than alcohol. That's just my preference, but you can do however you like. You can measure it like the consistency. I know some people who add a lot of alcohol, and what they do is they put it in a spray bottle instead. So yeah, it's just depending on like what type of consistency, what type of bottle you're going to use for your hand sanitizer, but you definitely can make it. So guys, this is the container I'm going to be using. I'm also going to show you guys how to fill another container. So at this are done with your sandwich or going to hell. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This is not a CC recipe. It's not a CC recipe. However, your girl have been corona free ever since I've been using this and sanitizing my hands for a very long time. So I chose to come and share it with you guys. I hope this comes in handy for you. So yes, I love you guys.
So damn much, what is it gonna be? Are you and me? I love everything. The thought is so sweet. So come on and let me